I am Raj Gopal, Director Operations, Shuddh Healthcare. Under Shuddh Healthcare, we have Shuddh Colon Care, which is one of the main wings. And when Shuddh Colon Care we have started, we have done a lot of survey. We have seen people who have constipation, bloating, belching, and other problems like digestion problems. And the major problem which we were seeing is basically the constipation. When the person is constipated, he will also have lot of mental stress and other problems like bloating and other problems. So this normally when a person has the constipation, he goes to a pharmacy and tries to take some tablets. When it is not subsided, then only he will go to a doctor, and then he will try to get some medicine. But only medicines will not help. Only traditional things will not help, or a naturopathy thing will not help. If we combine a nutrition support, one, two is the therapy which can cleanse the colon. Number three is basically the medicine. If probiotics and prebiotics are given, along with that, the constipation can be taken care. Basically, when we started this, we also thought of getting a good mission, and we are one of the pioneers in India to make these missions also in Shuddh Healthcare, which we feel that medical profession, spas and other people who are into the weight loss programs and general health and wellness programs can be immensely benefited. Shuddh Colon Care we started a year back, and the results are very gratifying. And when we started treating people, and we also put our information on www.shuddhcoloncare.com, and we are also in the Facebook. We started making an impact with the common man and the problems which people are facing with the constipation. And we are also in the print media, and we are also in the TV channels, and we started making an awareness program that what the constipation is and what can be the alternative methods. And then we were among the first people to start the colon hydrotherapy. Colon hydrotherapy is basically a gentle infusion to the colon, and a 37 degrees to 39 degrees water will enter into the colon, that is the larger intestine, and it cleanses the toxins and other whatever the stuff which larger intestine accumulates. And because of this, the patient feels light, happy and very comfortable after that. This is not only the one. Then when we give the probiotics and prebiotics combination, plus when we give the proper nutrition plan, if he takes, we also have run 5 programs as a package with a gap of 1 week. If you are making this, the peristaltic movements will improve significantly, and the patient feels very comfortable. Over 1 year's experience, we have done more than 1,000 therapies, in which 350 to 400 therapies are the people suffering from the constipation. And we have a good experience of it, and we would like that many more people can be getting this benefit, so that we are trying to put this awareness program into the people. Lifestyle modifications are very much necessary in these days. People have a lot of sedentary habits, number one, eating junk food, number two, eating not in the time. People do not follow a right time for the breakfast. Many people, even today, they say that we skip the breakfast and we directly have a lunch at about 11:30, which is not really good for the health. So people who are also having erratic food habits and eating more of junk food and eating out is the problem today people are facing. So if you can cleanse the colon, which is basically a dustbin of number of multiple toxins which are there inside, if they are not evacuated properly on day-to-day basis, you know what problems people will face. Ultimately, it leads to the multiple problems of the indigestion, number 1. Number 2 is the constipation. Number 3 is belching. Number 4 is bloating. So, people come to you with these type of problems, particularly the flatulence also. And these are the real problems which the patients come to us, that we do have these multiple problems and we need a proper solution. Then we will try to explain them that if you can make the colon cleanse, that is, if you can make if you have a Shuddh colon, clean colon, that's how we named it as Shuddh. So, if we have the clean colon, then the things fall in the place. A person who is having a right digestion and the right excretion will also be more healthy. You can always see the people. So, this particular lifestyle has to be told to the people, that how they have to modify their lifestyle. This is essentially one of the most important programs for us in the nutrition. When the nutritionist talks to the patient, she will not only talk about the nutrition, what should be taken, and she will also try to change their lifestyle and the food habits right from the day starts with 6:30 and right up to the sleep. If people can take these food habits into the right line, and if they take the wellness programs in the right direction, and if they are health conscious and they are trying to update the latest things, people will be more happy. That what is our prime aim.